Happy Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to Adventure Wednesday. Right now, I'm with Amanda. We are heading west on the Mass Pike towards the New York state line to the location that I'm bringing you guys today. It's a brisk 48 degrees in the first week of October, so hang on tight. We'll be there in 1 second, and I'll see you then. Alright, so an hour and a half later, we've arrived at Bash Bish Falls. It's the tallest waterfall in the state of Massachusetts. We're going to head up there for a scenic view, and then head down the trail and check out the waterfall. Let's go. New York parking lot, Massachusetts parking lot. It's that way. That's how close we are to the state line. so about 45 minutes later, we're leaving this beautiful waterfall. We're gonna make our way back to the truck, which is about a 15-minute hike. What are you doing?
Nothing.
She's trying to race me up these stairs. Yeah, this railing is extremely short. It's not meant for me. It's meant for children. All right, so we're gonna head back to the truck. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Alright, and a 15-minute hike later, straight up 300 feet, we've arrived back at the truck. That is going to do it for today's episode of Adventure Wednesday. Personally, I think this waterfall was a lot nicer than the one that I brought you to in episode 1 of this season. What about you, Amanda? Was it nicer? Heck of a lot nicer. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. I'll see everybody tomorrow for Thungry Thursday, Beer of the Week. Peace.